Friends, today we embark on an exciting journey. We will explore the extinction of dinosaurs to the origin of humans. This story dates back millions of years and is filled with many mysterious twists. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready as we travel millions of years back in time to understand and unravel this event. About 66 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. These fearsome-looking creatures came in various enormous sizes and types. They roamed every corner of the planet for millions of years. Some dinosaurs were herbivores, while others were carnivores. Some could fly, and some lived in water. Dinosaurs consumed food based on their size and species. Carnivorous dinosaurs hunted smaller animals and even fish, while herbivorous dinosaurs ate leaves, fruits, and grass. These herbivores were peaceful and did not harm other creatures. Dinosaurs inhabited dense forests, open plains, and even deserts. Scientists believe that some dinosaurs preferred living in herds. When they moved together in groups, it felt like a storm had swept through. On the other hand, some dinosaurs hunted alone. Dinosaurs laid eggs to give birth to their young, and some species even cared for their offspring to protect them from being eaten by larger dinosaurs. This often led to conflicts among them. In this way, dinosaurs lived for millions of years. Over this long period, many species became extinct and new ones emerged. Time passed like this, but nature had other plans. Then came a catastrophic day that became one of the most devastating events in Earth's history. A massive meteorite, known as Chicxulub, hurtled toward Earth, becoming the harbinger of the dinosaurs' demise. It is said that its glow was so intense that more than half of the animals were blinded by its light. When this enormous meteorite collided with Earth, the impact was so catastrophic that it created a massive cloud of dust and debris, completely blocking sunlight. As a result, Earth's temperature dropped drastically. Plants and trees died, and toxic gases polluted the atmosphere. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions further escalated the destruction. Tsunamis swept across the oceans, devastating many regions. Due to these events, more than half of the dinosaurs perished instantly. Those that survived eventually died due to a lack of food and shelter. However, some flying dinosaurs survived this catastrophe and adapted to the new environment. Scientists believe these dinosaurs later evolved into birds. Other factors may have contributed to the extinction of dinosaurs. Continuous volcanic eruptions, climate change, the emergence of new diseases, and rising sea levels likely made it difficult for dinosaurs to find food. Toxic gases and frequent volcanic eruptions may have also caused the deaths of many dinosaurs. It is possible that a combination of these factors led to their extinction. Thus, dinosaurs completely vanished from Earth and became lost forever in the pages of history. Gradually, the wheel of time turned and life began to evolve again. After the meteorite impact, more than 90% of all species disappeared. About 100,000 years later, palm trees began to spread in the forests. Slowly, the Earth became lush and green again. New creatures emerged and evolved, including small mammals. The size and number of these mammals, which include us humans, began to increase. These mammals evolved over time, and millions of years later became the ancestors of modern humans. Around 2 million years ago, creatures called hominids evolved in Africa. They gradually began walking upright, and their brains started to develop. About 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, or modern humans, emerged. These humans were intelligent, capable of making tools, and gradually spread across the world. This led to the development of diverse cultures. The extinction of dinosaurs and the origin of humans show us how life on Earth continually changes and evolves.